Hey guys, and Xiaomi just made the Mi A3 official, so the launch event was in Spain and that was a really small and secret event, no live stream or something like this. So first they started talking about the Mi A series and then they just announced the Xiaomi Mi A3. There is no Mi A3 Pro or Mi A3 Lite or anything like this. It's just Xiaomi Mi A3. So starting things with the design, you're getting a drop notch panel with a 6.08 inches of HD plus display. There's Amoled panel from Samsung, which is impressive. Design is kinda like the Redmi Note 7 Pro. There's a huge notch and huge chain. Crystal glass panel on back with the Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So design wise, I think it looks okayish fine, not so impressive. Alright, so 3 cameras on the back panel, Sony's 48 megapixel sensor, a wide angle lens and a depth sensor. There is a 32 megapixel camera on front for selfies, so that's a nice combination I think. Also Xiaomi Mi A series known for cameras, so it's great. Slight disappointing part is you're not getting any Mi specific features like there was in the Mi CC9. The scene changing thing, that was really impressive. Yes, there is the Snapdragon 665 which is based on 11nm process. It's slightly better than the Xiaomi Mi A2 in terms of the performance and all. 4 gigs of RAM, that's all. There is 40-30 mAh of battery, HD plus AMOLED panel plus that huge battery capacity can easily go 2 days with the normal usage. Xiaomi says 23 hours of continuous video, 187 hours of music, that's insane. Yeah, I have a battery draining test coming soon when it gets available. And then we have the stock Android with all the Google things like Play support, Google Lens, Photos, and Google Assistant. It comes with Android Pie out of the box and is confirmed to get Q and 3 years of major security patches. You should note that they haven't said anything about Android R, so I don't know if this thing is coming or not. There is no NFC, but there is hybrid micro SD card slot. And yeah, that's your Mi A3. Again, there is no Mi A3 Pro or Plus. Disappointing, right? And same is the case with the pricing. 249 euros, which is 300 US dollars and 19,000 Indian rupees for 4/64 gigs and 279 euros for 4/128 gigs. There is no 6 gigs of RAM. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Again, I was expecting the Mi CC9 to come as Mi A3 and Mi CC9e as the Mi A3 Lite, but it's not happening and I'm disappointed as much as you are. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.